In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a special character in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to add a symbol, accented letter, math sign, currency mark, or another character that doesn't appear on your keyboard, Google Docs makes it pretty simple. Once you know where to find the tool, you can insert exactly what you need in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure your cursor is placed in the exact spot where you want the special character to appear, because that's where Google Docs will insert it. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. This opens a drop-down menu with several options for adding content to your document, including images, tables, and symbols. From that menu, click on Special Characters. A panel will open, usually on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll be able to search for and choose the character you want to add. One easy way to find a character is to click into the search bar and type what you're looking for. For example, you can search by name, such as copyright, arrow, degree, or alpha. As you type, Google Docs will show matching characters below, which saves time and makes it easier to locate the right symbol. If you're not sure what the character is called, there's another helpful option. Click into the drawing pad and draw the symbol you're trying to insert. It doesn't need to be perfect. Google Docs will try to recognize your drawing and then display similar characters in the results. This is especially useful when you know what the symbol looks like, but not its name. You can also simply browse manually, scroll through the list of available special characters and click the one you want if you see the correct option. This works well if you're exploring symbols or only need something common and easy to spot. Once you click a character, it will be inserted directly into your document at the cursor position. If needed, you can keep the Special Characters panel open and add more than one symbol without repeating the whole process. That's all there is to it. Using the Special Characters tool in Google Docs is a quick and flexible way to add symbols that aren't available on a standard keyboard. Whether you search by name, draw the symbol, or scroll through the list, you have a few easy ways to find exactly what you need.